Hi, this is David Steele. So excited to talk about Twitter's new lead generation card. This is a new product by Twitter, and what makes it so exciting is we got to beta test it. It should be coming down the line shortly for other marketers. But because we use a product called Infusionsoft, which is a phenomenal CRM application, they're allowing us to use it early. I understand that the Twitter lead generation card also has other CRM applications that it's working with, such as HubSpot, but it's a great product. I highly recommend it, and it really should change the way that people can start using Twitter. It even works on mobile devices, which is really great. But before we start, we have to actually have a sign into Twitter ads, and it's ads.twitter.com. You need to request first, actually an account with them to be able to advertise. And we already have one set up previously, so I'm just going to go to our login, and we should have our campaign dashboard come up right away. So the first thing you got to note is that you should have this advertising drop down and should have cards listed there. You'll see that a card already exists. I'm going to create a new card very similar to the one we already have. So you'll see first that the lead generation card comes up on the right hand side is blank and just filled in with no information. I already created an image with a 4:1 aspect ratio and less than 1 megabyte big and 600 pixels wide. The one I have here is 600 by 150, seemed to work really, really well. Next, I create a short description, and you'll see that description, once we get out of that field, will actually update itself right here. Lastly, we need a call to action. The call to action is going to change the message in the button, and I'm going to just write learn more now. And you'll see it updated as well. Next, because this is a link into existing CRM applications, there's some technical settings that have to happen. I'm just going to show you the ones from Infusionsoft. You're going to see the copy the URL. You just simply copy the URL, and we're going to put it back into the submit URL part of the technical settings. Next, you'll have the fallback URL. The fallback URL is simply the web page that can be used for the same purpose as the post that's going directly into Infusionsoft in case the product that they're using does not have the ability to post forms directly. And lastly, they will not let you create this lead card unless you have a privacy policy. You'll notice on the bottom simply says some information below here that they're going to be captured. You can add hidden fields if you like for data that comes over. We're not going to use it in this example. And you simply just name the card. Check off their terms and create card. It's then going to give you results that it was successfully submitted the card, that everything worked, and it's going to ask you if you received the data just to confirm it. And you'll see the card here on the right hand side as it will appear to people on Twitter. This is like the first visual advertising that's allowed as far as that we can actually use, and I know some larger companies do have access to some more products that they're testing out. What's great about this is it'll go right into our application, it'll bring in leads, and it'll go to the groups that we've set previously as ad groups in Twitter and keywords in Twitter. If you have questions about how to use this lead generation card by Twitter or any other questions regarding social media, please don't hesitate to email me. It's dssteele@sneeze.it, and www.sneezeit is our company. Thank you very much for watching.